How to transfer money from Viva Wallet to bank account. Firstly, open your Viva Wallet account and go to the account homepage, then select Send Money. Then, choose to bank account and pick the account to charge, meaning the wallet balance you want to use. After that, select your beneficiary. If it's a new one, tap Add Beneficiary and enter their name, account number, and a short label for future use. Now, type the amount you want to send and add a reason/description, which will appear on the recipient's bank statement. Then, click Continue and check all details and any fees before proceeding. After reviewing, select Confirm Transaction. Lastly, approve the push notification on your mobile device by tapping Authorize to complete the transfer. See the customer support if you need more help. Thanks for watching.